In this video, we're going to build a simple grocery store application using Python. You'll learn how to create products with names and prices, manage a store with multiple items, and allow users to add products to a cart with quantities. We'll also cover how to display products in a clean format, calculate the total bill, and implement a checkout system that clears the cart after purchase. By the end of this video, you have a fully working console-based grocery app that simulates a real shopping experience. Let's get started. This class represents a product with a name and price. When a product is created, these values are stored so they can be used in the store and cart. This is the main store class. It keeps track of all available products and the user's cart. This method creates a new product using the given name and price, then adds it to the store's product list. This method displays all products in the store. It loops through the product list and shows them in a numbered format. This method adds a selected product to the cart. It takes the product using its index, stores it with quantity, and confirms the action. This method starts by displaying the cart heading and initializing a total variable to calculate the final amount. Here we loop through each item in the cart, calculate its cost, add it to the total, and display it. Finally, we display the total cost of all items in the cart. This method handles checkout. It shows the cart, clears it after purchase, and thanks the user. This is the main function where the app starts and a grocery store instance is created. Here we add some default products to the store so the user can interact with them immediately. This is the main loop of the app. It continuously shows the menu and waits for the user's choice. If the user selects option 1, we display all available products. For adding to cart, we first show products, then take input for product and quantity. If something goes wrong, we handle it with an error message. This option allows the user to view all items currently in the cart. This option triggers checkout, showing the final bill and clearing the cart. If the user chooses to exit, the loop stops and the program ends. If the input doesn't match any option, we show an error message. This ensures the program runs only when the file is executed directly. Alright, let's test our grocery store app and see how it works.